Ashley LeBlanc. Historian is Olivia Wiley. Brigade Bell mascots are Diamond Alvarez, Sapphire Alvarez, Lily Grothenheis, and Mia Macias. Squad leaders for the Brigade Bells are Captain Nicole Alvarez, Sarah Huerta, Melba Gomez, and Cynthia Ibanez. Brigade Bell social officers are Ashley Munoz, Julie Martinez, Roseda Perez, Kamika Davis, and Nareda Martinez. Brigade Bell dance officers are Lieutenant Valerie Mendoza, First Lieutenant Renee Cohn, Major Jennifer Macias, Lieutenant Colonel Rebecca Osorio, and Colonel Brandy Lilly.
How you doing?
Brigade Bell Spirit Girl of the Week is Lizbeth Gonzalez. Brigade Bell Dancer of the Week is Shelby Cox. Dancer of the Month, Erica Flores. The performance tonight is dedicated to the MacArthur Brigade Bells. Good luck tonight. We've had a great time this week. Kara's Spirit Girl is Lacamicia Owens. And Vaquera of the Week is Carolyn Alvarez. Tonight, the Aldine Vaqueras and the MacArthur Brigade Bells will be forming a jazz routine to Canned Heat. Canned Heat from Napoleon Dynamite.